welcome to your .LA weekly recap of the hottest news in the LA tech media and startup scene. I'm Kelly O'Grady, .LA's chief host and correspondent. I'm going to take you through the top 5 headlines so you have everything you need to know to stay smart on the space. So let's jump in. First up, we have TikTok. As per usual, honestly, this has felt like a soap opera. So there is a deal on the table between ByteDance, Oracle, and Walmart, if you can believe it. Even President Trump was giving his blessing over the weekend, but there's been a lot of back and forth over the past week when it comes to US ownership and what percentage US companies will have in this new entity, TikTok Global. But ByteDance has gone to the Chinese government for approval, so we'll see what comes back from there. But if you remember, Sunday of last week, TikTok new downloads from the App Store were supposed to be banned. That ban has been pushed out to this coming Sunday. TikTok has filed an injunction to try and delay that ban, similar to what happened with WeChat, so we'll see what happens there. But moral of the story is, guys, if you want to become a TikTok dancing 16-year-old star, you got to do it now. All right, big news on Wall Street this week. Prescription discount company GoodRx IPO'd. First LA tech company to IPO this year, huge for us. Started off the day at around $33 per share and jumped 50% by market close to $50 per share. That is unheard of when it comes to an IPO, so hugely successful for them. Now it's dropped off in the past couple of days. It's hovering around $47 per share, but huge success for GoodRx and huge success for us in LA Tech. We're getting on the map. All right, so Amazon has opened its first smart grocery store. If you're wondering, like me, what that is, it's basically very high tech and very eerily quiet with the lack of people. So we had one of our wonderful interns go check it out. Head to our piece on our website for more details, but basically she came back with, you get a smart dash cart, you throw all your items in there, you can scan them, weigh them, super easy. Not 100% seamless as everything is in tech, but the craziest part is the checkout experience. You walk over a line with your products in your cart and poof, you get a receipt emailed to you. So basically, if you don't want to see humans, it's a perfect experience for you. All right, well, Struck Capital, a seed stage firm, has just gotten a lot more Hollywood star power added to their limited partners. Everyone's favorite Titanic star, Leonardo DiCaprio, has invested. The firm has said that he's made a significant investment. No clue on what that exact number is, but it's $1 million as a minimum to invest in the fund. Leo's first time investing in an LA-based firm, but he is no stranger to socially minded investments. He's invested with Allbirds, he's invested with Beyond Meat, but he's not the only one. This is LA after all. He joins a long line of folks like LeBron James, Ashton Kutcher that have taken that step into the entrepreneurial space from their day jobs. And to wrap up our news this week, online sneaker retailer GOAT is having a meteoric rise. They've raised $100 million this past week, which adds to their valuation of around $1.75 billion. Yes, for sneakers, we have a unicorn. So they started out as a way to authenticate your collectible shoes, like your Air Jordans and whatnot that you've got in your closet, and now they're actually expanding to be more of a luxury shoe and apparel retailer. They're partnering with folks like Versace, Alexander McQueen to really build out that space and be a curator of brands rather than just a sneaker apparel retailer. All right, folks, that wraps my weekly recap for you. For more details on these stories, other news this week, and to learn about the awesome virtual events we're hosting, visit us on our website, sign up for our daily newsletter, and be sure to follow us on Instagram for our exclusive video content. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Kelly O'Grady for .LA.